Want to know everything there is to know about the Triton multi-stand?
Oh, let's get on with it then.
The Triton MSA200 Multi-stand is one of the most simple but versatile tools in the whole of the Triton range.
Once you've nailed the basic function, you'll probably find that it comes in handy in a ton of other situations.
You may even end up using it so much that your other tools will start to get jealous. Let's show you what it can do.
So the name of the game with the multi-stand is work support. So the top head can swivel a full 360 degrees and also tilt at 90 degrees, so you can pretty much support your work at whatever angle you want.
The extra wide tripod base gives it a super sturdy platform even if you're working on a surface that isn't completely flat and level.
The multi-stand also works great for outfeed support. This is because the surface on the top of the stand is lined with a low friction material.
This actually works better than the roller stands you may have seen, as the rollers tend to pull the material to one side as it's moving over.
Another super useful application is for side support.
The height of the multi-stand can be adjusted from 635 to 940 millimeters, which covers a whole range of workbench sizes.
They really come in useful when we're cutting long lengths on our miter saw, and they also make processing wider sheets on the table saw much easier and much safer.
The channel at the top of the stand features a screw clamp which has a range of 31 to 51 millimeters, which means you can clamp material whenever you need to.
The channel has been sized to take a standard 2x4, so it's really easy to make your own accessories to fit in that gap.
This can be for things like tool trays or work surfaces, or even a handy dandy laptop stand like the one we're using right now for this voiceover.
The stand itself only weighs about 5.5 kilograms and it can fold down nice and flat for easy storage. All that for something that can hold 100 kilograms. I mean, what more could you really need?
Here's a few more ways that we found the multi-stand to come in super handy.
As work support for those longer items on the pillar drill.
If you ever need to hang a cabinet but you don't have a second pair of hands available.
For working with doors, which can generally be super bulky, heavy and pretty awkward to handle.
For a really quick extra table surface, whether that's inside or out.
For mounting a projector for a lovely little movie night.
For a spontaneous game of workshop volleyball.
Or if your brother is faffing around and you just need a helping hand.
Or the most important of all, limbo!
So there you have it, everything that you need to know about the Triton MSA200 Multi-stand.
We've used ours so much recently that it's practically become part of the family.
Let us know if you've got any other creative uses for your multi-stand, we'd love to know.
Hope you found that useful.
See you on the next one, guys.